I see your face, it reminds me of the places we used to go. All I got is a photograph, but I realize you're not coming back anymore. I thought I'd make it the day you went away, but I can't make it to come again to stay. And so on, boys and girls, you get the idea. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've sort of things again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This one is, of course, from Ringo Starr and a song called Photograph. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret, fret 2 for the capo. Okay, puts us into the same key as the original record of B, I think. Okay, so this is a sort of a, obviously there are a lot of instruments on this record, lots of different guitars and keyboards and everything else. So it's just a single acoustic guitar rendition, okay, or an arrangement. So this is what I've got here. So what I'm starting off with is a lazy A, okay. I'm just barring the 2nd fret from the capo, 4 strings, the top 4 strings with my first finger. And it starts off with this sort of da-da-dum, mainly on the piano of course, but something like that. So down, up, down sort of thing. Okay? It's best to do it somewhere towards the bridge so the strings are quite taut and you don't get caught up with your picking the strings. Okay, so something like that. Then what we do is this. And I'm doing like a quick arpeggiate on the chord from 5 down to 2 on each strum. So it's, first one is the A chord, 5 down to 2. Then I'm adding my 2nd finger to make it an A sus4 by adding the 3rd fret of the 2nd string there. And then I'm using my pinky to go up from the 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string. 5 down to 2 again, and then back to the standard A chord, 5 down to 2. So it's okay. So I've got this in slow motion. Then repeat the first bit again, the da-da-dum, up to that point. Okay, and instead of going back to the A like that, we go to the A like this. This is a F shape chord, 5th fret from the capo, 5 frets up from the capo. It's an F shape, it's an A chord, and with the open A string. Make sure you hit that, like to hear that note. Okay, so first 2 bits together. The alternative to doing that is to do that, and some people might find that tricky. It doesn't sound quite as good, I don't think. So you go, 2nd one would be, you could do that if you want to. By all means, use your pinky on fret 5 of the top E string, along with the A bar there. Okay, I prefer that one myself. I think it sounds better. Whichever one you want to do. So once again, in slow motion, the first 2 bits. Sorry. Okay, and then we do the 3rd one, is same again, da-da-dum. Those up, same one again up to that point. and then what you do is you play that the top E string second, so that just the bar. Okay, so it's, and then put your second finger on the top E string 3rd fret from the capo, A7, and then the A chord here again, or the A chord like that again, whichever you like best. So that last one, the 3rd one, is or I think that's alright, but I don't know, I prefer that one myself. So that's it, those are the 3 phrases. Okay, so let's do it all the way slowly from the beginning. Okay. Slower. And then we're into a D chord, okay, and the singing kicks in, okay. Every time I see your face, and then it goes to a G chord, but I like the 4-finger G variety. Standard G's alright, but I like with the doubling up on the top E string and the B string, 2nd string, on the 3rd fret, like a 4-finger G, okay. So it's every time I see your face, every G reminds me of the D. Places we used to go is the 3rd A phrase again. I like the intro. The last phrase of the intro again. Okay. So once again, every time I see your face, it reminds me of the places we used to go. Another verse. All I've got is a photograph, and I G realize you're not D, I'm in A again. So you've got 2 lots of that. 3rd phrase of the intro at the end of each line. Okay. So from the right from the beginning, slowly. See your face, it reminds me of the places we used to go. Every God is a photograph, and I realize you're coming back anymore. As far as we've got, now we go into like the middle breaky bit, or the chorus bit. F#7. That's a bar chord, 2nd fret from the capo, a major shape with the pinky off. So F#7. Okay. I thought I'd make it. So B minor. Day you went away. Right, so it's F#7. I thought I'd make it. B minor. Day you went away. And then there's that little phrase, okay? So if you're holding the B minor, it's the 2nd string, 3rd fret, held by the 2nd finger. Then take the 2nd finger off and play the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, held by the bar. And then the 4th fret of the 3rd string, okay? Held by the pinky. Okay? So, I thought I'd make it the day you went away. And then when you have F#7 again, I thought I'd make it B minor, into the lazy A again. So B minor to the A, okay? So That second phrase is, sorry, but I can't make it to come home again to stay. And that third phrase of the intro again, okay? And then it's off into the another verse. You get the idea, okay? And then basically you've got all the parts there, and just work out your own arrangement, verses and choruses, etc. So all the way from the beginning, okay? Slowly-ish, okay? Yeah, it's not too quick anyway, but here we go. Every time I see your face, reminds me of the places we used to go. All I got is a photograph, and I realize you're not coming back anymore. I thought I'd make it the day you went away, but I can make it to come home again to stay. So on, boys and girls, there you have it. My take on a simplified version of Photograph by Ringo Starr on a single acoustic. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next video. Bye for now.